I'm David Sines. I'm the Executive Chair and Registrar of the Joint Council for Cosmetic Practitioners. That's the JCCP, and I've held that role for a number of years now. Harley Academy was always very important to the JCCP because our journey started as a partnership back in 2014 when I chaired the Health Education England programme for non-surgical cosmetic education and training standards for the Department of Health. And Harley was one of the very first educational partners that came along to help us think through the art of the possible. So that journey I've been on with Harley since that time. I now act as an advisor to the Harley Academy, and it's a great privilege to be able to do so. So a number of years of consolidated learning, constant improvement of our standards together, testing those, but also ensuring that quality and patient safety sits at the heart of all we do together. The JCCP has always made it very clear to the government and to our stakeholders, and of course to members of the public, that by seeking a national standard and an implementable standard of education and training is the best way to protect members of the public when they seek to receive and undertake cosmetic interventions or procedures. So that education and training part is exactly where Harley saw the opportunity to develop those standards. And through their standards, we also developed and refined our education and training standards, which are now nationally implementable, but not legally enforceable. Without legal enforcement of a standard, then there's an issue. So what Harley has done, it's taken its own education and training to a new level. It's worked with an awarding body, that's VTCT, an awarding body that the JCCP holds in great regard, because the standards that the VTCT and Ofqual, our national vocational regulator, undertake and put in place, map onto our own standards, the professional standards for cosmetic practice. So Harley has refined its standards, its ways of teaching, to a national standard, which we believe is really an exemplary standard. I'm really looking forward to joining Harley Academy as a strategic advisor on licensing. There's a journey that we can pursue, and we're really looking forward to making reality out of the new standards that we believe will support and enhance public protection and patient safety.